Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. It's Coupons with Abby. Happy Thursday. I hope you guys are having a terrific day and terrific week. We are at Publix to go over some of the best grocery deals this week, so if you are interested, just keep on watching. So Publix looks a little slower this week, honestly, but I really think we can come out with some great grocery deals. I am trying to get mainly food items that we will eat and consume, so I don't think it'll be a freebie moneymaker haul today. I do believe there will be a cost, but hey, to get groceries for 60-70% off, I will take any day, so I am okay with a small cost. We have several Ibotta rebates, Swagbucks, Checkout 51. I think maybe an aisle rebate. I'm not too sure about that one yet. But all of those rebate apps are down in the description box. If you would like to sign up with my referral links, it would truly mean so much to me. With about every rebate app I'm using today, you will get a little kickback reward for joining with my referral link. So definitely consider that. The printable list will also be down in the description box as well, with deals I do today or additional deals that I could not do today that maybe you can do if your store has stock. I do know that there is obviously lots of food shortages and product shortages, so we work with what we got. We will adapt. So I also do have an Ibotta, what is it called? An Ibotta weekend harvest, weekend wishbone bonus. Mine for my account is $1 for 10 offers, and my husband's is 5 for 15. I'm going to try to go for mine for 10 offers because I have several Ibotta offers I'm doing today, hopefully. So it makes more sense to go for the lowest one, even though it's a lower value. I will take it. We will take it. He said we will take it. So I'm going to try to go for that. I have a couple, but I'm going to try to get to 10. Hopefully I can get there and hit that weekend bonus, but I'm not going to try to push. Hey. I'm not going to try to push finishing it, but I would like to try to finish it if my store has the items in stock. So we're going to go ahead and get in here. Yeah, we're going. Yeah. But if you are new, welcome. I am super excited you found my channel. Please be sure to consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload, as well as give the video a big thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and Publix couponing. So yeah, we're gonna go. You wanna drive the car? He loves driving the car cart, I swear. Yeah, all right, let's go. All right, so my first deal is on some more Tenna pads this week. I'm going to grab 2 at $5.39 each, so 2 totals me $10.78. We still have $2 extra savings book coupons found at the front of your stores, but these extra savings book coupons do expire on November 5th, as we're getting a new extra savings book on November 6th. So if you want to do this deal, you have about one more day to do it, so go ahead and grab it. We're also going to submit to Swagbucks for $4 back when we buy 2, and Checkout 51 for $4 back when we buy 2, making 2 packs completely free and a $1.22 moneymaker. Now, I just want to remind y'all that Swagbucks and Checkout 51 don't seem to be the same company, but somehow they're linked together. So if you sign up for both apps under the same email and you go and submit to Swagbucks and then later submit to Checkout 51 for this tenner rebate, an error message will pop up saying to Checkout 51 that you already submitted for this rebate. So just sign up with different email addresses, or in my case, what works for me, since I already have those same email addresses for both of these rebate apps, I will submit to Checkout 51 first and then Swagbucks, and I have no issues. So just your reminder. Great freebie this week is the Cetaphil baby wash. So if you can find the $5.49 variety in your store, go ahead and grab 2 of those at $10.98. Select Cetaphil is $3 off each product instantly at the register this week. So you get $3 off each bottle, and then we can use a 5 off 2 coupon from the 1010 Smart Source. Now that coupon does expire on November 6th, so Saturday, keep that in mind, but that would make both bottles completely free. I do want to mention that the coupon, to me, it looks like the verbiage on it says excludes baby wash, and
tons of other products. So I went ahead and messaged my friend Saving with Sarah last night, and she did confirm that the coupon does work on the baby wash scans with no issue. The verbiage just looks really odd. So I just wanted to go ahead and throw that out there in case you guys had any questions about that. So Fetch Rewards is offering a wonderful Unilever offer where you spend 15 on participating Unilever products at grocery stores. You'll get back 5,000 points from Fetch Rewards, which is equivalent to $5. So Saving with Sarah shared a couple of matchups. I'm going to go ahead and mix and match some of the deals she shared. I'm going to start by grabbing 2 of these Axe hair gels. They are $6.99 each, and we do have a 3 off 2 coupon found in the extra savings book, and I'll go ahead and use that on both of those. Reminder, the extra savings book expires November 5th, so this deal you probably have another day to do. I'll also throw in one of these Hellman drizzles. They look so good and I've never tried them before. They are $3.99 and I have a $1.25 printable coupon for signing up on the Hellman's website. So the value of the coupon could vary by each user, so just keep that in mind. But all 3 products here, the Axe and the Hellman's, total is $17.97, which is way over that $15 to get the $5 reward. So with those coupons, I'm also going to submit to Fetch Rewards, obviously, for the $5. And then I have an offer on my Fetch Rewards for $1.50 back on each Axe hair gel, and then $2.25 back for the Hellman's Drizzle on Fetch Rewards. And then also on Ibotta, I'll get $2 back for each of the Axe hair gels as well, making all 3 products completely free and a 53-cent moneymaker. Really cheap deal on some Sundown Vitamins. They are 25% off retail price this week. So the cheapest option would be to grab one of these essential zincs. They are $5.19. So 25% off will take about $1.30 off of this bottle. We have a $3 digital coupon we can use as well, found on the Publix app. Make sure you go ahead and clip that, so when you type in your number at checkout, it will apply, making this bottle just 89 cents. So I made my way to my clearance table, lots of Halloween decor and doodads over here. Kind of tempted, but I stopped myself. And yeah, y'all tell me my Publix table for clearance is just insane. Y'all don't have a table like this, which is just crazy to me. But I found the motherload of Russell Stover marshmallow chocolates. I grabbed 4 because they're ringing up 4 for $1. It was a must. And I also found lots of baby food clearance. There's always baby food on clearance at my Publix, but this week we didn't need any, so I left it. And I found some Chef Boyardee cheesy rice, which was kind of tempting, but I decided to leave it there. Whenever the rebates decide to disappear is when I'll stop doing this deal. But until then, we are going to grab some more A-Fresh garbage disposal cleaner at $2.99. We do have a $1 coupon from the 1024 Smart Source insert, so we can go ahead and use that. Also submit to Ibotta for $1 back, to Swagbucks for $1 back, and 60 cents back from checkout 51, making it an easy freebie and a 61-cent moneymaker. Super excited for this deal because they never have it in stock when this deal comes around, but today they do. The Carbona carpet cleaners, they are buy one get one free, so there's some variety at $5.39 and some at $5.59. Now what I was trying to do was grab 2 different varieties because I thought that the pet one I grabbed at $5.59 would attach to the Carbona pet cleaner on Ibotta, giving me 2 separate Ibotta rebates, but it ended up attaching to the same one, so it did not work like that. So I ended up grabbing one at $5.39 and one at $5.59. So obviously the higher value would be the one I pay for and then get the lower value for free. So I paid $5.59. I submitted back to Ibotta for $2 back on each, making my final cost $1.59 for both, or 79 cents each. I'm also hearing there is some peelies floating around for these products, so go ahead and use those if you have it. Really like this deal that Saving with Sarah shared about the Hormel Natural Choice lunch meats at $4.49. We do have a $1 extra savings book coupon that we can use. We'll also submit to Swagbucks for $1 back and $1 back from checkout 51, making this pack just $1.49. And we always could use lunch meat for the husband's lunches. So this week, the Kraft Mac and Cheese is buy one, get one free at 92 cents. I know the price varies by store, so just adjust according to your store's price. My store is 92 cents, so I'll pay that out of pocket. Submit to Ibotta for 35 cents back on each box. Now, that rebate could vary by value amount. I know on my other Ibotta account, I get 20 cents back per box, so just keep that in mind. But I'll get 35 cents back for each box, making 2 boxes 22 cents or 11 cents each. So this week, these Totino's pizza stuffers are a part of the buy one, get one free sale at $4.99. They're also the lowest price item you can get in this sale, so get the most bang for your buck by grabbing these. I am going to choose to purchase one today at half BOGO since my store does honor half BOGO. So that would ring up at $2.49. We do have a $2 digital coupon found on the Publix app, making this box just 49 cents. I think this has to be one of my favorite deals today on the Thomas limited edition everything English muffins. Super shocked my store even had any. They are buy one get one free at $4.69. We'll also submit to Ibotta for $1.25 back on each, making 2 of them $2.19 or $1.09 each. So since I wasn't able to grab the Cetaphil baby wash today, I'm going to go ahead and grab 2 of these skin cleansers at $7.99 each, which totals me $15.98. The $3 will come off each bottle instantly at the register, and we'll use that 5 off 2 coupon from the 1010 Smart Source. Just again, reminder that it does expire November 6th. So I will also submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each. Now that is a limit of 1, so we're only going to get back $1.50 one time, making the cost for both of them just $3.48 or $1.74 each, which I think is a heck of a savings coming down from $15 for both of them. So that is everything my heart desires to get from Publix this week. Like I said, it's a slower sale week, but I still think we made out really well. We're going to head home and see what the final cost ends up being. All right, so we are home from Publix, and this is our haul for this week. Like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I wasn't finding too many deals that I was super interested in. I found a lot of food deals, which is always fantastic, and then a couple personal care deals that I just thought it would be nice to have around the house. The Cetaphil, I don't get enough of that, and it was just a fantastic deal. Granted, be more fantastic if I could get it for the baby because Cetaphil is a very good, friendly brand for his eczema, but it's okay. I have plenty of baby Doves still in stock in my stock room. So go ahead and keep the cleansers for my husband and I. So everything went super smooth at checkout. I did self-checkout, no coupons beeped, no coupon issues. So we're going to go into the receipt and then discuss all of the numbers from the rebate apps and the final cost. So we had the Hormel up here at $4.49. Ignore all of my Russell Stover marshmallows. I could not help it, y'all. They are just so freaking good. I have not found them anywhere at any stores around me except Publix. And to see them on clearance, I had to grab 4 for $1. But they're not counted into my final cost, obviously. That was just kind of like a splurge. We have the Sundown Vitamins, the Axe, the Cetaphil, the A-Fresh, the Kraft Mac and Cheese, the Totino's, the Thomas English Muffins, the Carbana. So you can see that I did grab one at $5.59. Now here's my reasoning. I grabbed one at $5.39, one at $5.59. Obviously the cheaper option is to grab both at $5.39, but I thought that the pet one I got back here would qualify for the pet Carbana rebate. So I was trying to knock out 2 Ibotta rebates. It ended up attaching to the normal Carbana rebate. So I don't know. That happened. So I ended up paying $5.59 for both, but then we got back those rebates, the Tenapads, and the Hellmann's. So my vendor coupons were the $5 for the Cetaphil, $1.25 for the Hellmann's, and then $1 for the A-Fresh. Then we have our store coupons. So the extra savings book coupons, reminder, they do expire tomorrow, November 5th on a Friday. So tomorrow's the last day you can do the extra savings book deals before the new extra savings flyer comes out Saturday on the 6th. So we have the Tenna coupons, the Hormel, the Dove, the Sundown. Oh, I'm sorry. The Sundown was a digital coupon as well as the Totino's. So those were that. My total came to $44.44, but subtract the $1 we spent on the Russell Stovers, it was $43.44 out of pocket. We did actually have a savings though of $41.50 15 cents. It's not going to focus. There we go. So $43.44 out of pocket. From Fetch Rewards, I went ahead and submitted, and I got back $10.74. For the Unilever deal where you spend 15, get back 5. I got points back for the Hellmann's, for the Axe, and then the Totino's, and I believe the Thomas English muffins, and I think the Kraft as well. We got a lot of points back from Fetch today. A lot of participating brands on Fetch that we got points for. Ibotta, we got back $13.70, so I think I knocked out 6 Ibotta rebates towards my bonus for 10 offers, so I really tried to get 10 offers today. I stayed in the store for about additional 10 minutes just looking around, seeing if I could come up with anything, but I didn't want to push it, so that was that. Checkout 51. Y'all, I don't know what happened. I went to submit my receipt to checkout 51. I guess I did not pay attention because I was zooming through, and I apparently had claimed that I bought 2 Tenapads. I claimed the deal twice, which would mean I'd have to buy 4 Tenapads to get $8. And then I claimed $2 for the Hormel when I only bought one for $1 back. And the A-Fresh I only claimed 1 for, so that was fine. But I claimed 8 Tenapads and 2 Hormels when clearly I did not buy that. And it went through. Checkout 51 literally thinks I bought 4 Tenapads, and 2 Hormels. So they gave me back $10.60. That is not right. I should have got back $5.60. But I don't understand how they let that slide. I didn't even mean to do that. I didn't realize I claimed that amount for those deals. So, oh my gosh. I am not counting that $10.60 back into this because that's just not right. That realistically, that is not going to be how it is for you. If you guys do these same deals, you're not going to sit there and claim 2 rebates for buying 2 Tenapads. You know, you're not going to claim $8 for buying 2. You clearly bought 2. You need 4. So I got $5.60. We're not counting the other $4 we got from checkout 51. I might contact customer service and just be like, I feel a little grimy claiming this when I did not mean to claim this. So yeah, you know, things happen. Things happen. From Swagbucks, $6.02 for the Tenna, the Hormel, and the A-Fresh. So originally everything here before BOGO sales would have been $84.59 worth of product, which really is insane because we did not get that much. But those Cetaphils and those Tenapads and the Carbonas are just so pricey. I would never pay full price for those. But our final cost actually comes to $7.38 today, or about 43 cents per item for 17 items, which I actually think is an incredible amount of savings. I told y'all I'd have a cost, and I don't always strive to have money makers and free hauls. If I can get a $7 cost for these groceries that I'm going to buy anyways, I'm okay with that. Why would I want to pay $84 when I got it for $7? To me, at least I know I saved a bunch. So I'll put the exact percentage of savings up here somewhere on the screen. I can't do the math on the spot, but I mean, this is just fantastic. So I'm overall happy with it. Now, if I were to count that $10 I got back from checkout 51, it would have made the final cost of everything $2.38. So do what you want, how you want to count this haul. I feel like I should only count it as I got back $5 from checkout 51, leaving my final cost as $7, because I feel a little grimy, you know, taking money. That is it for me today. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. All of those resources will be down in the description box, such as the rebate apps, the printable list, my Instagram, my TikTok, and all the good stuff. So thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel as always, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!